In this video, we are going to see what is ChatGPT and how it works, how to use it for your business. Okay. So GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformers, which is a machine learning model trained based on internet data to generate text. Okay. So ChatGPT was developed by a company called OpenAI, co-founded by Elon Musk. So it can have conversation with humans. Okay. So the difference between Google, the Alexa and Siri and the ChatGPT is like it's conversational. The ChatGPT is conversational, and it's more specific. Okay, it's more specific to your questions. So you can ask ChatGPT to write a program for you with the inputs A equal to 10 and B equal to. For example, if you're writing a C program for addition, you can specify the inputs also so that it can write the program for that input. Okay, so it's so specific. And it can provide ingredients to cook. You can do your homework. You can write a blog post. You can even develop an app based on ChatGPT. Okay? You can retrain and you can use it for as a customer service bot or for this customer support engineer for your business. Okay? So to get started with ChatGPT, just go for chat.openai.com. You sign up an account and create an account. We show you a demo. Okay, so the reason it is so popular is it's 1 million users has been the account has been created with just 10 days. We take like 4 to 5 months for Facebook. So it's so popular. So I'm going to write a program like how to write a program. Okay, in C for addition. Okay. So I just type with input A with input A equals 10 and B equals 20. Okay. So it writes a program in C, like it takes input the variable A and B. Okay. And it's write the program for us. Okay. So the results are more specific with the user. Okay. So you can read once the API is available. You can use to retrain for your own data. Okay, so that the bot will be very effective when you compare a messenger based bots or the other bots. Okay, so let me how to cook. Okay. Okay, so you can get any details from ChatGPT, and you can also retrain once the API is available. You can explore and you can retrain and you can use it for your business. So thank you so much, and see you on the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.